About this item battery features, 2PACKS, 20V, 6.0Ah relay capacity. Lithium, no memory effect. Via ROHS, CE safe certified, replace for DCB205 DCB204 DCB206 DCB205-2 DCB200 DCB180 DCD985B DCD771C2 DCS355D1 DCD790B, compatible with Dewalt 20V replacement battery, not original. Fits all current model Dewalt 20V tools and lithium ion chargers. E.G. DCD/DCF/DCG/DCS series, DCB203, DCB204, DCB205, DCB205-2, DCB200-2, DCB200 DCB180, DCB204-2, easy to install, the same function and size as original 20V battery, so very easy install and it fits perfectly. Not tight or loose, charge stable, top A grade lithium battery cells built-in protection, not hot when charge. Tested by manufacturer to match original and OEM product. Note, please don't overcharge the battery, cool down the battery before recharge it. Battery storage, store it in a clean, dry, cool place away from heat and metal objects. 24-hour service. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item battery features, 2PACKS, 20V, 6.0Ah relay capacity. Lithium,